Mr. Chase with the hiccups.
Hiccups.
See if we can hear him.
Oh, poor little guy.
Maybe we should scare him. No. Looks like he's gonna fall asleep too, almost, huh?